Hello guys, our today's topic is standard potential. Guys, in the last video we studied the electrode potential or the cell potential. Cell potential, electrode potential first of all we'll discuss. क्या है electrode potential? It is the potential difference between electrode and electrolytic solution. And what about cell potential? It is the potential difference between oxidation potential or reduction electrode and the oxidation electrode and the reduction electrode. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड पोटेंशियल. नाउ स्टैंडर्ड पोटेंशियल ये वर्ड क्यों आता है? इट इज़ एक्चुअली डिनोटेड बाय ई नॉट साइन, ई रेस टू जीरो लिखते हैं उसके ऊपर. ओके, सो स्टैंडर्ड पोटेंशियल क्यों आता है? व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल एंड द सेल पोटेंशियल डिपेंड्स अपॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, ओके, pressure of the gas and temperature. अगर electrode potential and cell potential generally depends upon concentration of a solution, pressure of the gas and the temperature, तब ये word आ जाता है standard potential. See over here, the standard condition chosen are 1 molar concentration of a solution. अगर solution है तो concentration should be 1 molar. Gaseous pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure should be there. Okay, and the temperature is definitely 25 degrees Celsius. Understood? Temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So these are the standard condition. Concentration of solution should be 1 molar, pressure 1 atmospheric pressure, and temperature should be 25 degrees Celsius. So whatever voltage measure under this condition is called to be the standard potential, and that is denoted as E naught sign. Understood? So standard potential क्या होगा? So the standard potential, cell potential, is actually the algebraic sum of the standard potential of electrode only. Okay, algebraic sum of standard potential of electrode. So हम लोग we already studied that electrode potential of anode, electrode potential of cathode. So you have to add the E of anode, E of cathode, or you can say E naught of anode and E naught of cathode. So E naught cell is equal to, see the equation first, E naught cell is equal to E naught oxidation, E naught oxidation यानी anode plus E naught reduction, that is cathode. यानी standard electrode potential of anode and standard electrode potential of cathode, दोनों को addition कर दो, you will be getting E naught cell. Okay guys, so this is all about the standard potential. I repeat again, standard potential यानी क्या? The potential difference is find out of the cell, or potential of the cell is find out when all the species involved in the chemical reaction or in the redox reaction are in their standard state. यानी whatever solution होगा, solution है 1 molar concentration, whatever pressure used that is 1 atmospheric pressure, and the temperature is 25 degree Celsius. Understood? तो ये सारी condition अगर fulfilled है तो फिर cell potential को हम लोग कहेंगे standard potential. Understood guys? और वो finally कैसे identify किया जाएगा? E naught cell is equal to E naught oxidation that is of anode plus E naught reduction that is cathode. This is equation first. But according to the IUPAC convention, अब IUPAC का रूल क्या कहता है? The standard potential of an electrode is taken as a standard reduction potential. Understood? कोई भी electrode है, समझ लो definitely two electrodes are there in the galvanic cell. One is oxidation electrode and other one is a reduction electrode. Understood? So हम लोग जनरली बोलते हैं कि ऑक्सीडेशन इलेक्ट्रोड के लिए स्टैंडर्ड ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल एंड रिडक्शन इलेक्ट्रोड के लिए स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. अंडरस्टूड? स्टैंडर्ड ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल फॉर oxidation electrode, standard reduction potential for the reduction electrode. Okay, but according to IUPAC convention, the standard potential of any electrode, रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल तो बट ऑब्वियस हम लोग उसको रिडक्शन इलेक्ट्रोड के लिए रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ही कहेंगे, बट फॉर द ऑक्सीडेशन इलेक्ट्रोड ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द वर्ड स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ओनली. ओके, स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, बट वहाँ पे एडिशन नहीं करना होगा, वहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करना होगा. ओके, सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट the standard cell potential EMF is written in terms of standard potential of electrode. Here E naught oxidation is anode is replaced by E naught reduction of anode. You are getting my point? E naught oxidation of anode, यहाँ पे OXI है, that is replaced by E naught reduction of anode. अगर हम लोग ऐसा लिखते हैं तो फिर equation 1 को किस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम लोग? E naught cell is equal to E naught reduction of anode plus E naught reduction of cathode. Understood? E naught reduction of anode plus E naught reduction of cathode. Okay guys, अब omitting the subscript RED, that is reduction, in the equation 2 we have finally E naught cell is equal to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. Understood? ई नॉट ऑफ, बिकॉज दोनों का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ही है, एंड बट ऑब्वियस जब भी कैथोड का रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल हायर होगा कंपेयर टू द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन एवरी टाइम इफ़ यू गो फॉर द पोटेंशियल ऑफ अ इलेक्ट्रोड, नो पोटेंशियल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, तो कैथोड का इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल ऑलवेज हायर रहता है कंपेयर टू द एनोड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. Okay guys, that this thing you have to remember. Okay, cathode का electrode potential every time will be higher than the anode electrode potential. तभी कैथोड माइनस एनोड करेंगे तो आप लोग को पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मिलेगी ऑफ ई सेल, एटलीस्ट माइनस में नहीं मिलेगी, जीरो हो सकता है बट नॉट द माइनस वैल्यू. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. सो ई सेल इज इक्वल टू वट एवर इट मे बी जीरो और जीरो ऑनवर्ड्स कुछ होगा वैल्यू. Okay, so here according to IUPAC convention, standard potential of electrode is considered standard reduction potential. So here we use to replace the oxidation OXI to RED. So here we are get the equation 1 will be changed to equation 2, that is E naught cell is equal to E naught of reduction, that is of cathode, reduction potential of anode plus reduction potential of cathode. So anode cathode हो गया. अब फाइनली हियर RED सबस्क्रिप्ट ये हम लोग ओमिट करेंगे. सो हियर वी कैन राइट द इक्वेशन थर्ड, एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन थर्ड इज द फाइनल इक्वेशन. ओके, ई नॉट सेल इज इक्वल टू ई नॉट ऑफ कैथोड माइनस ई नॉट ऑफ एनोड. गाइज ये जो इक्वेशन है, दिस वन यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ई नॉट सेल इज इक्वल टू ई नॉट ऑफ कैथोड माइनस ई नॉट ऑफ एनोड. ये नोटबुक में आप नोट कर लेना, यही आपको सम में यूज़ करना है. ई नॉट सेल इज इक्वल टू ई नॉट ऑफ कैथोड माइनस ई नॉट ऑफ एनोड. याद रखना, कैथोड माइनस एनोड, कैथोड यानी राइट साइड इलेक्ट्रोड, माइनस एनोड यानी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इलेक्ट्रोड. अंडरस्टूड? राइट माइनस लेफ्ट. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द EMF ऑफ द सेल. ये जो हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. फिर डिपेंडेंस ऑफ सेल पोटेंशियल ऑन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. Dependence of cell potential on concentration. How the cell potential depends upon the concentration of the solution, that we'll going to understand under this topic. See, the standard cell potential tells us whether or not the reactant in their standard state form product in their standard state. Understood? Standard cell potential क्या हमें explain कर रहा है? It actually explains whether the reactant in the standard state, whether or not actually the reactant in the standard state and whatever product form that also present in their standard state. Standard state यानी क्या बच्चों? At room temperature जो भी कंपाउंड का जो नॉर्मल फेज होगा यानी नॉर्मल स्टेट होगा, वेदर इट इज सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस, वो जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन द गैसियस फॉर्म, वाटर प्रेजेंट इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म एट नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर. ओके, अगर आयरन की बात करें तो आयरन प्रेजेंट इन द सॉलिड स्टेट एट नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्टैंडर्ड स्टेट. ठीक है. डिपेंडेंस ऑफ सेल पोटेंशियल ऑन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज गिवन बाय नर्स इक्वेशन. वॉट एवर सेल पोटेंशियल है, डिपेंडेंस ऑफ सेल पोटेंशियल ऑन द concentration is given by Nernst equation. So we're going to see the Nernst equation. This is the most important things actually. So for a general reaction, here we can write general reaction: A moles of A plus B moles of B gives C moles of C plus D moles of C. This is our general reaction. जहाँ पे small a, small b, small c, small d ये क्या represent कर रहे हैं? Number of moles of A, B, C and D. Understood? Cell potential of these particular reaction is given as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT divided by NF ln, that is natural log of concentration of C raised to C into concentration of D raised to D divided by concentration of A raised to A into concentration of B raised to B. अब ये C raised to C, D raised to D यानी वो product हो गया, A raised to A into concentration of B raised to B, that is the reactant or product upon reactant. ये understood guys? Okay, so here E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln of C raised to C concentration of D raised to D divided by concentration of A raised to A concentration of B raised to B. Understood? तो ये direct equation है, there is no any specific derivation and this particular equation is actually Nernst equation. अब यहाँ पे natural log है ln, उसको replace करेंगे by 2.303 log to the base 10, क्योंकि ln is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10. तो वो इक्वेशन में पुट कर लेंगे तो हमें इक्वेशन में 1 मिलेगा, दैट इज E cell is equal to E naught cell, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log to the base 10 of concentration of C raised to C, D raised to D divided by concentration of A raised to A upon into concentration of B raised to B. ओके, जहाँ पे N representing moles of electron used in the reaction, जो small n है over here in this equation 1, that representing the moles of electron used in the reaction. F यानी बच्चों Faraday's constant, F is the Faraday's constant, उसकी वैल्यू है 96500. T is the temperature, R is the gas constant, but obvious R की वैल्यू 8.301 लेंगे हम लोग. So if we put all these values, यानी R की वैल्यू 8.314, T that is 298 Kelvin, 25 degree Celsius, F the Faraday's constant. So at 25 degree Celsius, 2.303 RT upon NF, ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0.0592. अंडरस्टूड. 2.303 RT upon NF. इनफैक्ट F होना चाहिए था. सो हियर हम लोग वो रिप्लेस कर देंगे 2.303 RT upon F by 0.0592. So we are get the equation 2 over here. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0592 upon N, because N नंबर हमें स्पेसिफिकली पता नहीं है. क्या, जैसे N1 हो सकता है नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, नो 1 2 3 4 वॉट एवर इट में बी, ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन के ऊपर डिपेंड होगा वो. सो ई सेल इज इक्वल टू ई नॉट सेल माइनस 0.0592 अपॉन N, लॉग टू द बेस नाउ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ C raised to C into D raised to D divided by A raised to A into B raised to B. So here equation 1 and equation 2, this both the equation are said to be the Nernst equation. Understood guys? Equation 1, equation 2 both are said to be the Nernst equation. समझ गए? So आज we completed the first thing, that is standard potential. Standard potential यानी क्या? It is the potential of electrode when all the reactant and all the product are there in their standard physical state. Understood? Present in their standard physical state. So generally this standard potential is depend upon the concentration of solution, pressure of the gas and the temperature. Concentration of solution कितना होना चाहिए? 1 molar solution, pressure gas का 1 atmospheric pressure and temperature होना चाहिए 25 degree Celsius. So that standard according to that, the standard potential is the algebraic sum of standard potential of electrode. So E naught cell is equal to E naught oxidation of anode plus E naught reduction of cathode. But according to IUPAC convention, any standard potential of electrode is taken as a standard reduction potential. So यहाँ पे oxidation और E naught oxidation is replaced by E naught reduction. So फिर हम लोग equation 1 कैसे लिखेंगे? E naught cell is equal to E naught reduction of anode plus E naught reduction of cathode. Here we are omitting the subscript reduction. So finally we got the equation 3rd, that is E naught cell is equal to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. We are getting my point? E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. This is the equation we use to find out the standard electrode potential of any cell. Now then, dependence of a cell potential on the concentration. So cell potential depends upon the concentration of the solution. 1 molar होगा, 2 molar होगा, 3 molar होगा, whatever it may be. अब वो जो different concentration है. So Nernst equation is there. Nernst equation help to find out the cell potential. And what is Nernst equation? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF, ln of concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So here we got the equation 1, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF, log to the base 10 of C raised to C, D raised to D upon A raised to A, B raised to B. Understood? So 2.303 into value R 8.314 into 298 Kelvin upon F 96500, वो वैल्यू आ जाता है 965, this one 0.0592. तो वो हम लोग रिप्लेस करेंगे इन इक्वेशन 1. सो विल गेट एट द एंड इक्वेशन 2, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0592 upon N, log to the base 10 of concentration of product to the concentration of reactant. So here equation 1, even equation 2, both are said to be the Nernst equation over here. Okay guys, thank you.